Hey, what's up, YouTubers? Today I'm going to show you how to make a game player game or game maker game. It's pretty simple to make, but if you don't know how, then it's pretty hard. First, after you need to download it, extract it, and it'll look like this. You click on it. And it takes a while to open sometimes. Alright, this will pop up, and you just say OK. And let me minimize this for you. Alright, so it'll look like this. And the first thing you want to do is create a sprite, which is your object that you want to move. Which, just pick a random sprite, like a red ball, and you can create your own. The next thing you do is you need to make an object. So you add sprite, then you say add event, keyboard, and this is where you can do the movement to see how it moves. And you want to get the left key established, the right key, up, and down. And now I'm going to put a secret key that'll skip levels, and let's just say it'll be shift. Alright, so first you go to whatever you want, like left, and you get this red thing and you drag it in there, and you put left because that's where it goes. And I'll just put a speed about 4 or so. And then you go to up, and then you do the same thing, speed about 4. And you want all the speeds to be the same, or else it'll be pretty weird. Which one is this? Right. So, yeah, once you get this done, then it'll probably look like this, or whatever it looks like. Then, you probably want to start with the hard stuff now. I don't feel like using gravity, because it makes games more challenging. But for the shift key, I'm gonna make it, you go to this next room, you drag it there, then you can do transition effect. So basically, when you press the shift key, you go to the next room. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And for this one, I'm going to do, well yeah, this is going to be what I'm going to do so far. And then you want to create a room, which is like the simplest thing ever. Just about. Okay, I'm going to make this bigger for you guys. Alright, so, see if I can rearrange this. Alright, so, on this side, it has backgrounds, which you can see a little of. And you can probably see this. And you can make a background, but I'm not going to do a background right now. So basically, you're going to go to Objects, and the red ball is on there. Click on it, and then when you click on the graph, it'll sign up there. And you want to save it by clicking the check button next to it. And see, another thing after that, let me minimize this. You go back to Objects, or first I'm going to go to create a new sprite, and then you can load whatever one you want again. This is going to be like the boundaries of it. And for example, I'm going to do a wall. And then you say create object, load the sprite, add event. Now you can just like put some random event, doesn't really matter. Game start. Yeah, then you just click OK. And then you go back to the first object you made and say add event, and say collision with object 2. So that means whenever it touches object 2, which is the wall, then it will like do whatever you want it to. Let me go back and edit that. Project 2. And you have to edit it to see if you want, well, you have to actually make it to where once you touch it, you can restart room, which is what I normally do. And yeah, after that you save it, and then when you're on the scrap part again, you scroll down to the thing. Alright, one sec. Having some difficulties. Alright, then you get the object, and then let's do something random. Yeah, so then you save and click from the check mark. And I'm just going to add another room for no purpose whatsoever, but just because I feel like it. Alright, and if you want to, you can edit it by going to Objects, and I'll just show you. You can make it where, it's somewhere on here, but you can make it where they can not only skip levels, but they can reset the game when they want to, and they can do a lot of stuff. But I don't really do that because that kind of spoils it. Anyway, so you want to click the green arrow right here once you're done. Then it'll say saving executable, and that means it's just saving it for now. That's not actually saving it. It's pretty weird. Then it's loading the game. So yeah, see the ball's moving like normal, which is good. And look what happens when I touch the wall. Start over. So yeah, that's basically how to make a game. And yeah, so it's pretty simple how to make it. And just for fun, I'm going to show you one of the games I made. And also, real quick, there is a feature where you can say, add event, other, game start. You can tell it to go to full screen, which it's somewhere on here. Wait, here it is. Set full screen. You do that. Just do that. Okay, and then I'll go straight to full screen. But yeah, real quick, I'm gonna show you a game I made. It's pretty cheesy. It's kind of fun and addicting, but you probably don't think so. So I have two versions. One is the easy version, one is the actual game. They're the same thing, except on one level that a lot of people can't get past. I made a shortcut key where you can press S to skip, but that's the only level you can do it on, so yeah. I'll just go with the easy version right now. It's loading. Alright, so I made this pop up. Yeah, and anyway, you move around, and it's usually not that slow. It's only because I'm recording. But if you would like, if you want to, let's just say, like, if you want to email it to one of your friends, all you have to do, which I'm not doing right now, you just go to File, and then you go to Create Executable, and that'll do it. And yeah, so it's a pretty easy thing to do. And if you want to know more about the game I made, or if you want it or anything, just, comment or send me a message or something. Alright, well, thanks for watching my first video.